Wegovy is one of the most talked about medications for weight loss today. It contains semaglutide, a weekly injection that helps control appetite and support weight management. But like all medications, Wegovy can cause side effects, some mild and some more serious. The most common side effects are related to the stomach and digestion. These include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, and abdominal pain. Other possible effects are bloating, indigestion, headaches, dizziness, fatigue, and of course, reduced appetite, which is also part of how the medicine works. These symptoms are usually strongest when starting Wegovy or when the dose increases, and for many people, they improve with time. But there are also less common, more serious side effects you should know about. Wegovy can, in rare cases, cause pancreatitis. That's inflammation of the pancreas, which feels like severe abdominal pain that doesn't go away and can spread to your back. It may also cause gallbladder problems, such as gallstones, leading to pain in the upper right side of your abdomen. Kidney issues can occur, especially if dehydration happens from vomiting or diarrhea. Some people may experience severe allergic reactions, like swelling of the face or throat, trouble breathing, or a serious rash. And finally, there's a warning about thyroid tumors based on animal studies. Wegovy should not be used if you or your family have a history of medullary thyroid cancer, or MEN2. If you're starting Wegovy, there are a few simple tips that may help reduce side effects. Eat smaller, lighter meals rather than heavy ones. Avoid greasy or spicy foods in the beginning. Sip water throughout the day to stay hydrated. And remember, for many people, these side effects improve after the first few weeks. To sum it up, Wegovy often causes stomach-related side effects like nausea and diarrhea, and in rare cases, more serious problems such as pancreatitis or gallbladder disease. Being aware of them can help you manage the treatment more safely and effectively.